People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, when you think of Lime Tree Lane, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Comedy, right? Yeah. Depending on your age, when you hear the name Lime Tree Lane, you probably remember the famous Jamaican show, that started on TV a long time, right? But of course, you have, I think Johnny was one of the characters, and everybody know Lime Tree Lane. Real long time comedy thing. Well, the actual Lime Tree Lane is actually a very serious place. The actual Lime Tree Lane, right, or a Lime Tree Lane that is based in Flankers, is a very serious place. A place that produce a lot of 87s, a lot of kerosenes, a place where enough police afraid to go. Well, a place where even the residents them afraid to go. But some of them, I guess they don't know where else to go, so they have to go home. But now more than ever, that place is extremely tense, because the Lime Tree Lane area in Flankers just got turned up an extra 100 degrees, because before the first video I did about the shooting that involved the little boy and Tommy Lee daughter and all that, before that video even went live, there was retaliation. Before that video even went live, people, by the time you heard that video this morning, there was already retaliation. And if you remember in that video, I said that is what is going to happen. But of course, I'm not going to say that like this is like I'm Nostradamus and I predicted anything extraordinary. It's fairly common sense. Anybody who know about Flankers, know about how them place they run, know about who involved in this, know about, as I said, the people who get them family hurting at this. There had to be retaliation, right? This is not a surprise, because the artist in particular, whose daughter got injured, and them said the little boy who lost his life, unfortunately, Lance J. Sterling, was also the Tommy Lee's nephew. Once me hear them name there, and me hear say them and the relative end up get caught up in this, there was going to be foolishness. A matter of fact, one of my subscribers who I was talking to on Instagram told me that before you do your next video, somebody will drop out. When I read the news and I actually saw that it came through, I had to message him back and I said, you really know your place. You know your place and you know the people you may talk about. Right? He confirmed it. He said to me, Sir P, based on who get caught up in this, based on who for relatives get caught up in this, knowing how certain man roll, before you do your next video, somebody will go dead back for this. And so said, so done. The name of the individual was Demar Garden, or is Demar Garden, of a Lime Tree Lane address, right? And let me say, people, the little boy not even get to go cool good, and the man name go for this brother here, right? And I was reading in the Observer where the mother of the young man, a lady by the name of Shanique Bowen, right? It's her youth, she ended up lose, right? And she said something that I found very interesting, people. I have to read it to you. I have to read the direct quote, right? She said, and I quote, "Come on, from you say Pitney, 4 Pitney, cancel the operation there. From you say 1 child, cancel the ops there. Cancel the operation from you say Pitney. 8-year-old, 2nd grade, me can't say how me feel because it no real, end quote. People, understand something. Those are the words of a grieving mother, yes. Those are the words of a hurting mother, yes. But understand this. I'm speaking to the whole Jamaica now. The rules of badness don't change because of you. Let me say it again. The rules of badness don't change because of you. Because of your cousin, because of your auntie, because of your son, because of your nephew. The rules of badness, Jamaican badness, do not change because of your relative. See, first of all, the way this young lady talk, you can tell she know the streets work. She talk like she know the streets work. You hear what she said? Cancel the apps there. I said it again. And I know a lot of people are going to think to themselves, what's the repeat talk about? Where am I reading at this? What am I talking about? Anytime you hear a woman, a female, who just lose her child, or in a situation like this, come on the mic and she says things like, cancel the apps there, just understand, say that female know the streets run, or either is in the streets. I'm not accusing her of anything. Flanker she come from, she probably hear all kind of things, but just know, say, this lady know how the streets work. You hear what she say? Cancel the apps there. I guarantee if you get 100 women on the streets and ask them to talk to you about a situation like this, they wouldn't be using this kind of lingo. What I want to say to this mother is this, and Flankers community and Jamaicans and as a whole. See, when is your turn to do the balling? When is your turn to do the loss and to do the funeral planning? That is often when a lot of Jamaicans want to take crime seriously. That is when a lot of Jamaicans want to realize just how serious this crime situation is, right? Because they say it's all fun and games until you turn up at your doorstep. Because she said, from Mr. Pitney, cancel the operation there. Well, no for the man them who come from Flankers, where she probably know, when them did a carry out operation, they never cancel it. They never cancel a thing. Because bad man the business about Pitney. When since bad man business about Pitney. Bad man the business about man, woman, child, dog, goat, no matter where you want to be, they no business. So why am I go business now? Why all of a sudden am I go, where they think a bunch of criminals are suddenly going to have morals? You think they're suddenly going to go, oh, well look, there's some children, let us not go there. Why? Because it's your child? That's not how it works. This is why, as a community, as a nation, we have to fight this monster. Because it will, or it can easily turn up at your doorstep. Because enough people in a Jamaica, and who want vex, can vex. Enough people in a Jamaica promote, or they facilitate, right, or they enable the type of people who carry out acts like this, and they don't have a problem with it until somebody else do it to them, and then people are not friend. See, Jamaicans tell us, big up my bad man friend. Big up my bad man friend who run over this. So when that bad man friend kill much man and pick in, but Jamaicans tell us, big him up. But when a next bad man who isn't them friend turn up in for them community and wait up for them granny and for them dog, crime is a problem. And no apps must cancel. The money not cancel apps. They're not. The rules don't change. The rules don't change. Right? And as me say, I'm not trying to sound insensitive here, but listen, I'm all about equal rights. We treat everybody the same over here. Right? The apps not cancel. Why would the apps cancel? These men are criminals. They're murderers. Them kill Pitney for fun. Man brag about killing Pitney for fun. Wham, Moby man them. Moby man them chop off head and fling over police station. Moby man them chop off head and fling over police station. You think them business about cancer apps to Pitney? Cancer apps to Pitney? Listen, the ugly face of crime is going to show up on people's steps eventually. Right? See, when you can come over here and jump on me all in one. Oh, you load the money, load my artist, load him. Make sure, say, when you turn up a phone on the doorstep, that's what I say. You see, all of the people who love going like, say, Dana on the God, and politicians on the God, and artists on the God, I want to love back them and defend them and try to keep up them foolishness, right? And jump on anybody who try to call them out. Make sure, say, when the man start turn up at your doorstep, make sure, say, the same thing I say. We don't want able to cancel apps. We don't want able to cancel apps. The same when another criminal come to somebody in your family something, you have to defend that criminal too. The same way you defend your crooked politician or your crooked artist who buy much machine put in a community. Or the same way you defend your crooked Dan. Or the same way you must defend that strange man who come take out your family member. Because I love badness. I love criminals. There you go. Again, people, as me say, hit the dislike button. Come on. Somebody have to say it, you know. Somebody have to say it because time and time again, just like in the case when I was Kingston, where the woman will get her head licking with the sledgehammer and the residents are go jump up about them in a disbelief. Which disbelief? Which disbelief? Who none disbelief? Stop the foolishness. A long time somebody for calling out. Now for the residents in these communities need to get called out. Because they enable, facilitate and profit off of these kind of people. But then when it reaches them doorstep, and now them know what it feel like for ban them belly and ball, all of a sudden apps must cancel. Apps must cancel now. Them not cancelling now. You have to go help the rest of it. Fight these criminals. Cause me see woman I walk around and see gunman in she hole. I say a gunman alone them want than them hole. Right? Well, if so be the case, make sure say any kind of violence reach you, make sure say when you see upon the news about all. Because the gunman where you want in a your hole, when him left your hole, him go put somebody in a one hole. So we don't want you know, no man talk about no gunman in your hole. I come talk about no crime. Anything happen to you, just chalk it up to the game. I saw it go. Just one of those things. People, I wonder if you realize that in 2 days, 16 people get taken out in this country. 8 Sunday and 8 Monday. I wonder if you realize that. See? 16. I know what the funniest thing, people. When you look at it, you know, you think to yourself, okay, the little drop back where they go on when the big C first drop, right? It's like the man them annoyed at themselves. It's like they were like, Jono, look how we miss out on a good 2 days. Look how we miss out on 2 days with a murder. We have to go extra hard now. 8 Sunday, 8 Monday. Look how see how much I got on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Because after the initial drop back, guess what? There's now a 2.3% increase over the similar period in 2019. So within the space of 1 week, the man they make up for all the last goal they make. Right? At the last goal what happened one time the big C first drop. Man them already make up feet. Now them that head at 2019 again. And the thing is, of course, because everybody is preoccupied with the big C, nobody now check for crime again. No police commissioner, no politician, they have no more pressure for crime because man I say well a big C are the focus right now. Big C. This is more of an imminent threat than big C. I guarantee you right here, right now I'm telling you in 2020 more Jamaicans will die from crime than big C. I can bet every single thing me have. Down to the socks on my foot. That is the case. So don't bother get too caught up and too distracted by Big C. Just remember say 8 people are there that Jamaica same way. 9-year-old, 8-year-old, go straight down the line. Only just remember that. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.